So we were shooting a video for you to show you on there is your your chair, your laptop stand, your filing cabinets. So for those of you who we got this done for a video for one of our buyers here of the Amazon stuff. So there you have it, guys. If you, this can go of course much further. That's just if you want to pack it up, if you have a small corner, want to push it up in a corner in the morning. But otherwise, here's your little YouTube studio, or if you go Zoom, you have all your filing cabinet there, all your stuff, in the filing cabinets, pens, pencils. You have your laptop here stand where you can put your key, your mouse, your keyboard. You have your chair, and again, usually what's best, it'll kind of keep your laptop stand one height, so you can sit, stand, which is good for your back. And then just adjust the chair then. So when you want to stand, you move that out of your way. When you want to sit, you put it here. If you want to higher, just adjust the chair at the bottom, and voila, you got more of a height. So there it is for you guys who were asking about YouTubing, how to set, or how to create a small office in a small area, in your living room, bedroom, garage, whatever. There you have. And all this was off of Amazon. All right, take care, guys.